I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to add a friend on Steam using the Steam friend code. Step 1. Open Steam on your computer, click Friends in the row of options along the top of the screen, and then click Add a Friend in this menu. This is where you can find your Steam friend code. Have your friend you want to add navigate to this section and then give you their code. Step 2. After you have your friend's Steam friend code, find the section directly beneath where your Steam friend code is displayed, prompting you to enter your friend's friend code to invite them to connect. Enter their code in this field. You'll see an overview of that person's profile information. Step 3. Click Send Invite on this person's profile. You'll see a note that an invite has been sent to this person. That person will get an invite in the email account associated with their Steam account that they can then use to review and accept to be your friend on Steam. After they accept, you can see them in your Steam friend list by clicking Friends in the row of options along the top of the screen and then clicking View Friends List in this menu. Your Steam friends will be displayed. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.